Hello and welcome back to the Cream Base Bus. Say hi to Cypress in case you haven't met him. This is our new puppy. Today we are taking him on his very first hike to go see some waterfalls. We are headed to our next camp spot where we're going to be staying the weekend. It's close to some waterfalls, so I'm really excited to get out on a hike. We're going to take this little boy. We got a harness for him. He's been sleeping the first hour, and now he came up and is hanging out with Jalen and I in the front. He's been doing really great with the bus, so that's super exciting. I don't know if it's because he's a puppy, but he's been really wonderful with all the noises.
We made it to our next spot. Yes, we did.
We made it to our spot near Smith Reservoir. We're the only ones here exactly the way we wanted. And I am chefing it up right now, making dinner for everyone. Something simple since we've been on the road. I know it was only an hour, but there's something very rewarding about a simple dinner after moving your rig.
Good morning, breakfast time, little bear.
Go outside.
Good morning. Come here, Mila.
Hey, Charlie.
Hello. Say hi to Cypress in case you haven't met him. This is our new puppy who we actually just got last week. He is 9 weeks old and a German Shepherd, and today we are taking him on his very first hike to go see some waterfalls. So let's get going. So far, taking Cypress on his first hike has been going really well. There are a bunch of kids on the trail, so the puppies have gotten some exposure to children, which is always wonderful in their puppy age. And if you're a little confused why there are 2 German Shepherd puppies, our friend Aaron also got his sister. So we've got a whole pack with us. Tips for people out there taking their puppy on a first hike?
Ignore them a little.
For any mushrooms, because it seems like prime thriving conditions in this moist wet forest, but I haven't seen any yet, and Jalen says maybe because there's so much moss it's taking over some of the nutrients, so that's a possibility. I don't know.
The water is so blue, it looks like cool blue Gatorade. It is the most tempting color I just want to jump right in.
Good boy, Charlie. So handsome. Oh, that's good boy.
You see the waterfall?
This hike was a little bit short-lived. We're gonna go back up to a spot that we're gonna get in the water and get a little freezing cold.
standing back where we started at the trailhead. This one actually jumped in after Jalen and went in a cold plunge with us. And you did so good, honey. You did so good. I think he's done now, though. Good job. Good job.
Good job, buddy.
We just got back from our hike and changed into dry, cozy clothes. The pup is absolutely knocked out on the bed. He is exhausted. He's getting some really restful sleep. This is the first time he's wanted to stay on the bed without us. And Jalen started a fire up in the front.
Starting a fire. I feel kind of weird about it because there is a fire ban in Oregon right now. But I also don't because it's inside the bus, not outside, like an open flame. And I know that's not against the rules, but it does feel somewhat weird. But I'm ready to be toasty.
So we can dry off and get warm, and it's raining outside. So we're going to do hot cocoa, Harry Potter, warm fires, kind of rest of the day.
You told him that there's a fire going in here?